Make your own pet butterfly. Ooh, butterfly.
So to make our butterflies, we're first going to take our clear string and thread it through our bead. So it should look like a beaded necklace, a necklace with just one bead on it. And we're going to push that bead all the way down to the end of our string and then tie a really simple knot. So over and under and through. It's okay if you leave a little bit of a tail on there. So I'm going to tie it twice just to make sure it stays on there. So 1, 2. So you should have a long string with a bead, and on the bottom of that bead you tie a knot. And we're going to take our tissue paper. If it's about this size, you won't need to fold it, but if it's a little bit bigger, then you do want to fold it to be about the size of a shoebox shape. So we're going to take the middle of the rectangle, we're holding it so it's long or wide and short, as opposed to like this. You hold it like that, and then you take the middle of that and lay it down. So we're looking at the middle line. And we'll take our crepe paper, and then we'll also put that right on the bottom, centered if you want. So you can fold this in half, make a little pinch. That's our center line, and I'm going to line that center line up to our crepe paper. Okay, and then you're going to scrunch in your tissue paper only in the middle, so it should look like a big bow. Jeez. Okay, like JoJo Siwa. One giant bow, and then we're going to take our Chanel straw and we're going to pinch it closed. So the crepe paper will be on the bottom, and then the tissue paper, and then we're going to pull up the legs so it's like smushing it in between. I'm going to take my bead and put both of those through and slide it down. So you should have crepe paper, tissue paper, bead, all held together with this fuzzy Chanel stem. And then attached to the bead is your string. To make these a little bit more exciting, we're going to use a pencil. I'm going to use this. It's a metal straw. I'm going to wrap it around to make some spirals. So they're a little bit more fun tentacle things. I'm going to do that to the other one. So this is your very own pet butterfly.